everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands, and today I'm going to be doing my first and ever taste test of the watermelon that I grew in 2022. Let's get cutting and see if it does turn out to be exactly what I want it to be. Fingers crossed. You don't know. Once I see color, I am super happy because it's literally reddish orangey. It might not be the best looking one, but to be able to grow a watermelon, that's the bottom I'm cutting off first. I'm going to probably consume that. I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to cut the top here, cut the other end, and show you guys. Look at that. And guys, when you cut the watermelon, the smell, you can smell the smell of this. It's beautiful. Then I just lay it like that. I'm going to cut it down and listen to the crackle. Amazing. Oh, it's not what I expected, but it's a watermelon indeed. It doesn't matter to be able to grow something here in the UK. I'm gonna get this out. It's not fully developed. It's a bit slushy in the middle. I'm gonna cut that out. I'm gonna give it a taste. Okay, it's not as sweet as I want it, but still. Very refreshing, and the best thing, I grow this. Don't forget to hit that like button, share button, and let's grow what we eat and eat what you grow. Watermelon in the UK. Cool. If you don't know, now you know.